Hello friends, Pankaj Duroi here. Now in this video, I will going to solve a numerical using LRU page replacement algorithm. In previous video, we have seen about the first come first served page replacement algorithm, in which we are replacing the pages which have come first, and we are replacing them with the pages that are coming from the secondary memory system. In previous video, we have seen about demand paging. Also, we have seen about virtual memory. And then after studying the page faults, we studied about first in, first out page replacement algorithm. Now, when the page replacement happens, when it comes to taking the data inside the central processing unit, the operating system takes the data from the main memory system. Now at that time, if the main memory is full, the main memory will going to again based on the demand of the CPU, it will going to take the pages from the secondary memory system. Now if it is full, then the pages from the main memory have to be replaced from the pages in the secondary memory. Means the pages from the secondary memory will going to swap in, and the pages from the main memory will going to swap out, and this is known as page replacement. Now inside the main memory, if we are applying the technique like the page which have come earlier inside the main memory, and we are replacing that with the page from the secondary memory, that is called as the first in first out page replacement strategy. Now in this strategy we will going to talk about the LRU page replacement technique. Now in this recently used page replacement technique, we will going to consider the pages, right? Here again the reference string is given to us and 3 frames are given. Now F1, F2 and F3. We know that the pages are there inside the secondary memory system and the frames are there inside the main memory system. Now from the secondary memory we are supposed to take the data inside the main memory system. At that time, in the least recently used algorithm, we will going to consider the pages from right to left hand side. How we will going to do it? Let us solve it with the help of numerical. Now here the page that is given is, the first page is page number 2. Now we will solve the numerical by the similar steps as with the previous video, but here the technique will be different, and that particular logic only we will going to change here. So let us take the page number 2 inside the frame F1. Now this particular page was not available in the main memory system, so here page miss will happen. Now if you have not seen my previous video, I request you to see that video first and then go for this particular LRU page replacement strategy, because it is the continuation of first in first out. Now again the page 2 will come here in these frames. Now the page 1 have come over here, which is not available inside the main memory system. So here the page miss will happen. Now after happening with this page miss, the page 1 will come over here. Again there is new page that is coming inside the main memory system. So 2, 1 and 4, which is a new page, and here we will write the page miss, because the page is not available inside the main memory system. So this is what is the main memory for us, and the pages are the secondary memory system. Again the new page have come, page number 2, which is already available inside the main memory system. So here the page hit will happen. So we are going to write 2, 1 and 4. Now the page 6 is coming inside the main memory system, and here we are supposed to start our algorithm. It is least recently used. Now least recently used algorithm says that out of the pages inside the main memory 2, 1 and 4, which is the page which we have used most earlier. Now here if we will look at these particular pages 2, 4 and 1. So we are supposed to travel from right hand side to left hand side. So 2, 4 and 1. So 1 is the page which was used earlier. 2 is the page which is recently used. And this is the page number 1 which is least recently used. So we are going to replace this page with 6. So 2, 1 and 4. See, 2 is the recently used page, then 4 was there, and then 1 is there. So least recently used page will be the page which is on the left hand side, the leftmost page. So here 1 will be replaced with 6, 2 and 4 will be as it is. As the page was not available, I will going to write page miss over here. Now the new page have come 3. Again 2, 6 and 4. The page is not available, so page miss will happen over here. And now out of these 2, 6 and 4, I will going to replace the least recently used page. So 6, 2 and 4. I will going to navigate like right to left, and the leftmost page which is 4, I will going to replace it. So 4 is the page. In replacement of that I will write 3. 6 and 2 will be as it is. Again the new page have come 2. 2 is already available, so page hit will happen here. Now 2, 6 and 3 will be kept as it is. If there is page miss, the page fault will be there and we need to replace the pages. Otherwise we need to keep the same pages. Here the next page is 3. 3 is already available, so I will going to write 2, 6 and 3. Again 2 have come, page hit. 2 have come, page hit will happen. 2, 6 and 3 will be as it is. Now the next page is page number 6. So page is already available, page hit will happen. 2, 6 and 3 will be here. Now the next page is page number 4. 4 is not available, and as our technique says that we will going to travel from right to left, and out of these 6, 2 and 3, 6 is recently used, this is least recently used. So we will going to replace page number 4 with page number 3. So 4 will come here. As the 4 was not available, we will write page miss. 2 and 6 will be as it is. Now again the new page have come, page 1. Again out of 4, 6 and 2, 2 is the least recently used page. So we are going to replace 2 with 1. We are going to write 6 and 4 as it is. As the one page was not available in this list, here the page miss will happen. Now this is how the least recently used page replacement algorithm works. Now here the question is what are the page faults? Page faults will be the number of crosses 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are the page faults. Now here we are supposed to talk about the hit ratio. Now hit ratio is number of tick marks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5 by 12 is the hit ratio, and the miss ratio is number of page faults divided by total. Number of page faults are 7 divided by 12. Now, in this algorithm, the only technique is replace a page which is not used for long time. Now, inside the operating system, we have followed the same strategy. We have just, when we are taking the page 2 inside the main memory system, it was already available. So here page hit happened. Now here, in this case, the page 6 was not available amongst this main memory 214. So what we have done, we are supposed to replace this particular page with the page which is not used for long time. So this was the recently used, this was again older, and this was the oldest page. So oldest page we have replaced here by 6, and similar strategy we have applied for all the upcoming pages. Now in the next video I will going to solve the numerical for optimal page replacement algorithm, and again in that video I will going to compare the 3 videos, the first in first out, least recently used, and optimal also. Thanks for watching.